In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add more columns or rows on your table in Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So I have here this table and I'd like to go ahead and add an extra row and column. To do this, go ahead and click on the column or the last box where you want to insert the row or column. Then right click on it and we'll see we have an option to insert a row above or below. For my case, I want to insert below, and if I click on it, it has been inserted below here. Now, should you want to insert a column? For my case, I want to insert a column on the right. If I click on it, another column will be inserted. So that's how you can insert rows and columns on your table in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.